As a seller, you want to keep your front clean. So I suggest you sweep some of the leaves. You cut the grass. If you can, put some potted plants. Maybe plant some flowers. Flowers add so much happiness. So when people walk into your door, they immediately feel happy. Now, if you're a realtor and the seller doesn't do it, guess what? You have to do it. You have to get your gloves on. It's always a good idea to come a little early before the open house because you never know what you might find, especially if the sellers have dogs, if you know what I mean. So sweep up, clean up, get rid of stuff over here in the corner. Things that aren't necessary, throw them away. Clutter is not good. And remember, after you're done cleaning up, step outside your house and come back in and see if it looks inviting to you. Because it's really important that it looks respectful. Because when buyers come in and they see all this trash all over the place, it's kind of a disrespect. And also, our market has changed. Things don't sell in a week or two anymore. So it takes a little bit more to sell a house.